guys, so in today's video we're going to have a little road trip away because it's Bank Holiday Monday, the 29th of August, and it's a rare thing that me and Robert have the same days off together, so we thought why not take full advantage and have a little night away. But first we've got to go to the supermarket and get some supplies.
Right guys, we're just having a little stop at the supermarket. What we're gonna get, Laura?
I don't know. Yes, what are these?
What are they?
I know, chocolate.
Breakfast. That's what they are.
Oh, we need milk for coffee, tea.
It's a milk. What?
Boxes of couscous.
Ooh. A penguin. My double chin. Let's get sweeties. Let's make it a triple chin.
And I forgot I hadn't packed a hairbrush, so I've had to quickly get one.
What we're gonna get?
Oh, some of the Leo lions. I've got them.
Laura's finding it extremely difficult because she's a vegetarian. Everything's got gelatine in.
Never mind, it's a sign.
She can eat some grass.
Just get some crisps instead.
Laura's healthy, low-fat, gluten-free, vegan lentil bites. There's the better ones. So I've just found one of my favourite things I like when we go on road trips. Little tins of sweets.
We're in the middle of Lidl.
Oh, Laura's boobs. Checking out the man stuff. And there she's checking out the lady stuff. Just getting some milk for our cups of tea. And then we're going to Laura's favourite bit, the alcohol. Yeah, grab a couple, Laura.
Like a little can of cider or something.
Cider, yeah. Obviously the dark fruits, normal rosé cider.
I might just get the dark fruits. Yeah.
Don't get a bottle because I don't know if we've got a bottle or not.
No, I don't think we have.
Anything else?
I don't think so, unless you want anything. Oh, see, in actually I might get a couple of the little tins of
Again?
Sainsbury's to get some cash out because we're going to treat ourselves to a pizza for tea tonight. So that's Robert just going across to the cash machine there now. Hopefully it won't be too long, and then we'll go and get some tea. Actually quite annoying that it's just started raining as well. I mean, not that it really affects us because we're going to be in the van. It just means unfortunately Snoop won't get such a long walk tonight.
So what type of pizza we're getting, Laura?
Well, for me,
we got a meat feast.
No.
What about a ham and pineapple?
No.
Or should we get kebab instead?
Or maybe we could get one with vegetables on.
Margarita it is. Right, so we're at the pizza shop, so we'll be back in a minute. Right, so the pizza's been cooked, but we're going to the corner shop up the road to get a bottle of pop because the ones in the pizza shop were a little bit expensive. Right, we're here. It's very, very dark, but we've got a massive pizza to eat, and then we'll go and set the bed up. Is there anything you'd like? Ah. Oh, doggies don't like pizza. So we're going to go and take Snoop for a walk, and then we're going to see about setting up the bed.
Which way are you going, Snoop?
Go this way, yeah.
Oh, clever. Good boy.
Come on, stinky Snoop. So we're just recording Laura. She's making a cup of tea for her to get sorted, and then we'll get to bed. I'm going to put the milk in first so you can see how strong it is. The tea drinker who doesn't know how to make a cup of tea.
I know how to make the perfect cup of tea.
So Laura's currently having to burn her fingers because I'm sat on the seat where the cutlery's underneath and I'm so tired I can't be bothered to move.
Right. Oh, that's we're done.
Morning there. So it's about 5 to 8. We've just woke up not long ago. I'm gonna get a cuppa, get ready and get sorted, get away. So we slept alright. I mean, I don't know if you can hear the cars going past. There's constant road noise. The dog wouldn't settle with the noise, so
backwards and forwards and barking.
Yeah, so I had to do a mad dash to my parents who live about 3 miles away from here to drop the dog off. We came back, obviously got sorted, and just got straight to bed because it was getting late. So we'll come back to you once we're dressed and we've got a coffee. Right, okay, so we're back. So we've got a cuppa, we made tea, not coffee, got a pan of chocolates. Sorry, dog walking pie. So we're just gonna get sorted, and then unfortunately it's time to go. Right, so that's us all done. So we're going to head from here to the pet shop to get some dog food, and then it's back home.
So that's us home now. We've had a lovely little night away, just nice and relaxing, didn't really do much. I got a bit of a sore tummy off the pizza we had, so I was a bit bloated, so it was a bit uncomfortable, but other than that it was perfectly fine sleeping in the van.
Yeah, it's nice to be away from the door, isn't it? Away from the house.
Yeah, so. And I think once the van's fully kitted out and we're all done and we're able to have proper bench top space and things, then we'll be able to do a little bit more with regards to cooking, and be easier for making my cups of tea instead of just doing it on my little fridge box that we've got. But I think that's us done for now.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, and if you did like the video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing, as it'll really help our channel to grow. And we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video.
Yep.
So thanks for watching. Our van,
our way.